Hello, this is Itai Leviton, and I'm watching the market and I'm looking at the complacency that could possibly spell danger but also an opportunity, and do view other perspectives at forexlive.com. Now, the thing is that about 83% or so of the respondents believe that the Fed is not going to raise interest rates in 2 days on Wednesday of this week, 14th of June 2023. And the market has surprised, I mean, the Fed has surprised the market in the past. It won't be the first time if it'll happen again. And I'm not saying it will or not. I'm just saying that there may be an interesting opportunity as well as danger if so. And then I would like to look at achievable price targets, in my humble opinion, where the Nasdaq E-mini futures can go. So let's say on Wednesday we have a surprise and the market is surprised and there's some panic selling. I will be looking at 13,555, which is quite far from where we are now. It's approximately 8.4% down. That could be a huge swing trade for the short sellers. And that would be an interesting to consider because the stop, if we look at this pivot point on October 2021 at just below the 14,900, would be a considerable area for a stop. And even if I put my stop above 15,100, assuming that the size of my position allows that, I would still have a huge reward versus risk, capturing a lot more on the potential profit side. And the reason I'm watching the 13,500 semi-round number in that area is because we have a pivot point here at on the weekly on 13th of March from 11,982, and this purple line is an anchored VWAP. So technically, if we do go down here, again testing this pivot point also here out of March 2022, and testing this high of January 2023, then it's an area where algos and traders, uh, if and once, if and when we get there, might say, okay, that's enough, and I'll be buying the dip over here. So something like this, okay, is not far fetched, even if we later go more up. Okay, so this was to stress that there might be a danger as well as an opportunity, and do watch the complacency, where too many market participants believe that the Fed will not raise hikes. We have to be prepared also for the other scenario. And good traders, I think that they don't count on one side or the other, but they are prepared with scenarios and they know how to capture the maximum profit versus how to minimize their risk on each scenario. And that plays out, and they know how to identify that scenario quicker and adapt and take that trade. So this was by no means a forecast that the market will be going down, but if we have a very key event where the Fed does not raises rates, then watch these key levels and consider this orientation of a trade. Do return to Forex Live for additional views, and do trade the market at your own risk only. Have a good week.